Before cleaning a fireplace, put on old clothes that you don't mind getting dirty. Lay out a drop cloth to protect the floor in front of the fireplace. Remove any debris from the fireplace, such as chunks of old wood. Take a small hand broom and dustpan and sweep the fireplace out thoroughly, from top to bottom, to remove as much ash and dust as possible. Next, spray down the fireplace with an all-purpose cleaner. Dip an abrasive scrub brush in oven cleaner and use it to scrub the inside of the fireplace. Let the cleaner sit for 10 to 15 minutes before wiping it away with a cloth dipped in warm water. If your fireplace has a glass front, dip a damp cloth in some of the fireplace ash and use it to scrub the glass clean. Remove any streaks with a clean, dry, microfiber cloth.